this is Sumbul Khan here, and today I'm back with a new video. New video means it's a vlog type video, not a vlog, but it's my vanity room tour, and it's the place I love of my room so much, very close to my heart, because it was made on my demand before my wedding, because I love mirrors, I love everything aesthetic type. I have not furnished it completely, but I love it. So today I will show you that my vanity room, and if you like my video, like, share and subscribe and comment on my channel. So let's get started. So there is my bedroom, that is my bathroom, and here is my dressing room, means my vanity room. I will show you how it is. It's my almirah. It's so big, I love it. It's my almirah, it's my dressing table. I have only these two things in this room. I have not furnished it so much. I will furnish it later. I will place a big mirror there also and there also, because I love mirrors. So my full beauty product, skincare, makeup, all the things I have in this dressing table. I will show you what I have in it. So I will show you my dressing table. You can see, and what I have inside of this dressing table I will show you. I will show you what I have inside of this dressing table. So on the very first compartment I have this facial kit, this massager means it's a beauty wand, and it is the spatula Agaro from the brand Agaro, and this is from the brand WBC. So on the very first rack I have this, and these things are of my husband. Only this is mine, it's the rose water, and here only this part of the dressing table is of my husband, because what are the things that my husband need is only this much. And on the second rack I have this rose water, detan mask, multani mitti. It's a spare hair shampoo. I bought it to keep it extra. Face mask, Shehnaz Hussain facial kit. This is cross border item from Indeed Labs. These are extra. I bought it too, so I kept the other twos are here. And this is mini facial kit, aloe vera gel. It was bleach. I used it earlier. I don't use it now. And it's the bangle case. I have all my wedding bangles here. And this is also my chuda from my wedding, and it's aloe vera gel, sunscreen. And on the last shelf I have this derma roller, cling wrap film. This bag is full of jewelry, artificial jewelry, and in this bag I have safety pins. I have some badam here. I use it on my skin, face. I have some chia seeds and a mini facial kit, 2 extra pack of multani mitti, and a bangle. So in this compartment I have only these things. You can see, I will give you whole view of it. Is full with half of my beauty products. So this is whole the thing in my first shelf. I will show you my another shelf. These two shelves are so precious shelf for me, because all my skincare and makeup is there. So I will show you these both shelf. So this is basically a massager, stapler, because I need to punch the item which I use, the packets, spoon, hair bands, comb. And this is a treasure, because it's all expensive, non-expensive, cross-border, international, everything is here in this compartment. And it's my love, I love this shelf. So this side of my drawer is full of sheet mask. Here I have all my sheet mask. These two are my cross-border item. If you need anything, if you need any review of any item from this drawer, you can comment me. This is moisturizer, face mask. I have all the face masks from the lower brands to the high-end brands. And these 3 bottles are from FCL. These massaging gel, it's empty now. It contain little bit product. These are face mask. This is Salvaso skin renewal serum, and this I showed you this, it's Salvaso skincare. This face mask is my love. It's from the brand Tony Moly tomato brightening mask, and this lipstick is my favorite. These two I use it on my regular basis from the brand Studio West. This is my sunscreen. I had many questions about what sunscreen I use, and these both are my toner from the brand One Thing. It's a Korean brand. Both are my second bottle. You too can use it, and if you like, I use it citrus and seafood extract, and this is niacinamide 10%. Both are my favorite, and both are my second bottles, and it lasts for one to 2 years because I purchased it before 1 year during my wedding time. And this is the serum. It's from the brand Salvaso. This face mask from the brand Dot and Key. This is my kojic acid and Kama Ayurveda ka. This one. These are the things, non-expensive, expensive, everything is there in this shelf. So I love this shelf. So moving forward on my makeup shelf, so this is my makeup shelf. So I will show you my last compartment of my dressing table. So look at this. It's my favorite part. You can see I have two Huda Beauty foundation here, Europe Girl foundation, Rimmel London. I use this foundation for a wedding purpose, means party function, everything. I have Mama Earth Too Faced concealer, L'Oreal Infallible, because I love collecting these. I don't use everything, but I love to collect these expensive makeup, non-expensive makeup. I love everything. You can see I have a lip liner from the brand Swiss Beauty too, so it's not mandatory that I only use expensive makeup. I use both, whatever I feel that I need to try. This is my most expensive compact powder from Charlotte Tilbury, and you can see this is my primer from the brand Smashbox. These are all my eyeshadow palettes, my highlighter palettes. Here is my glitter palette. I don't use this so much because it's a chunky glitter. I use this loose glitter from the brand Blue Heaven, and these from C2P. I have a shimmer eyeshadow too. These are my highlighter palettes, eyeshadow. This palette is from the Revolution Pro. I like it. My contour brush, my skin tint, face tint from Benefits, my two eyelashes. This is a glitter glue. I love it. It is so good. My blush, powder, loose powder. This is my PAC beauty blender. It is so dense, so thick. I don't use it on my face because it don't cover the corners of my nose and eyes, so I don't like it so much, but still I use it on others, means if I do any other makeup. Then this is eyelash glue, everything. So it's there. It's a makeup brushes from elf. I don't know where are more brushes. I have so much of makeup brushes. These are from elf cosmetics, and everything I have in this drawer. If you want review, you can comment me. If you want makeup videos, you can comment me. I will make it for you guys. So these are my makeup, from expensive to non-expensive to least expensive, because every range I have in my vanity, in my makeup. So it's all, this is only the makeup I have. I know it's messy, but I will make it clear. So that's it for the makeup and the skincare. This is the skin massager. I forgot to show you. I will show you. This is the skin massager, daily skin massager, to make a better absorption of a skincare product. So this is all for this dressing table. This is all. I will show you this compartment of this compartment of my almirah because these both are so messy. Only this is arranged, so I will show you this part of my almirah what I have. So it's this. Oh, sorry. So this is, there I have a bed sheet, a photo frame. These are my clothes. These are from Zudio. This is my Pakistani suit. This is my normal suit. This is also Pakistani suit, this one. And this one was a suit, I wore it on my birthday. And these are my suits, means my suit compartment. And this one is from the brand Rareism, and this top is also from the brand Rareism. Means I have everything in this, means my suit compartment filled it with everything. So that's it for my clothes section. These are my clothes for my party wear and everything. This suit, you might remember that a girl dancing from Pakistan, Mera Dil Ye Pukare Aaja, that one. So this is the same suit, and this is also a frill Pakistani suit. And moving forward on these three compartments, this is my locker, and I will show you this compartment, second one. I will not open this. So in the second shelf, I don't have enough products, I don't have enough stuff. So this is my bangles at that time of my wedding. These are my bangles, trimmer of my husband. And in this box I have my earrings. This is Mulethi Haldi, original Haldi. These are my jewelry, artificial jewelry. This is my straightener case. So these are my artificial jewelry. This is my passport. Empty box, nothing is in it. This is my purse from the brand Metro. And that's it for this compartment. I don't have enough stuffs in this. So the last but not the least, I will open this compartment. And these are the boxes. I use it to store my face mask. This is my bangle case. I don't have bangles because I don't wear bangles. And this is my phone case, phone boxes. Nothing much. In this poly bag I have a purse. I don't use. It was of my wedding time. So that's it. So that's it for that compartment. And this, I showed you everything. These two almirahs, this one is of my husband, and that is messy, so much messy, so I will not show you that. So that's it what I have in this room. I have not furnished it. Whenever I will furnish it, I will show you with you guys. So I'm ending this video. If you like my vanity room tour, so comment me down and comment for more videos. Whatever you want to see from me, I will make it up for you guys. So if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.